What are the products of a neutralization reaction between an acid and a base? The correct answer is salt and water. Explanation: acids and bases neutralize each other, resulting in the formation of salt and water. What property of a substance does litmus paper indicate? The correct answer is acidity. Explanation: litmus paper changes color to indicate whether a substance is acidic or basic. Which of the following is a real-life example of neutralization? The correct answer is lime for acidic soil. Explanation: lime is used to treat acidic soil by neutralizing the excess acid. What property of olfactory indicators changes in acidic or basic mediums? The correct answer is odor. Explanation: olfactory indicators change their odor depending on whether they are in an acidic or basic medium. What do acid-base indicators show in acidic and basic solutions? The correct answer is different colors. Explanation: acid-base indicators are substances that display different colors in acidic and basic solutions. Which of the following can be used as an alternative indicator? The correct answer is turmeric. Explanation: turmeric can be used as an alternative indicator to test for acids and bases. What household substance is used to treat ant bites? The correct answer is baking soda. Explanation: baking soda is used to neutralize ant bites, which are typically acidic. Which of the following natural extracts can act as an acid-base indicator? The correct answer is red rose extract. Explanation: red rose extract can serve as an indicator, changing color in the presence of acids or bases. Under what conditions does a neutralization reaction occur? The correct answer is mixed with a base. Explanation: neutralization reactions occur when an acidic substance is mixed with a basic substance. Which of the following is an example of an acidic substance? The correct answer is lemon juice. Explanation: lemon juice contains citric acid, making it an acidic substance. Which of these is a base, not an acid? Lemon juice. Soap solution. Amla juice. The odd one out is soap solution. Because soap solution is a base, lemon juice and amla juice are acidic. Which of these indicators is described as the primary indicator? Litmus. Red rose extract. Turmeric. The odd one out is litmus. Because red rose extract and turmeric are alternative indicators, litmus is the primary indicator mentioned. Which of these is not an acid-base indicator? Lime. Litmus paper. Turmeric. The odd one out is lime. Because lime is used to treat acidic soil, while the others are indicators of acids or bases. Which substance is not acidic? Lemon juice. Amla juice. Baking soda. The odd one out is baking soda. Because lemon juice and amla juice contain acids, baking soda is a base. Which of these is not a product of neutralization? Litmus paper. Salt. Water. The odd one out is litmus paper. Because neutralization results in salt and water, litmus paper indicates pH. Which of these indicates a change differently than the others? Odors. Red litmus paper. Blue litmus paper. The odd one out is odors. Because odors changing is a property of olfactory indicators. The others show color changes. Which of these is not directly a part of neutralization reactions between acids and bases? Neutralize. Color changes. Salt. The odd one out is color changes. Because acids and bases neutralize, color changes are a result of indicators. Which of these is not used to neutralize an acid? Soap solution, lime, ant bites. The odd one out is ant bites. Because soap solution is a base, baking soda is used to neutralize ant bites, acid. Which of these is not a sample to be tested? Lemon juice, amla juice, turmeric paper. The odd one out is turmeric paper. Because lemon juice and amla juice are mentioned as samples. Turmeric is used to make paper. Which of these is not a substance that interacts in neutralization? Acids, neutral, bases. The odd one out is neutral. Because acids and bases are neutralized, while neutral is the state after neutralization. Which of these does not indicate the presence of an acid or base? Lime, turmeric, litmus. The odd one out is lime. Because lime treats acidic soil, the others are indicators. Which of these is not an indicator? Litmus paper, turmeric, science fair. The odd one out is science fair. Because litmus paper, red rose extract, and turmeric are all indicators. Science fair is an event. Which of these is not a character from the text? Ashwin, Kirti, litmus. The odd one out is litmus. Because Ashwin and Kirti are siblings, litmus is an indicator. Which of these is an acid? Soap solution, baking soda, lemon juice. The odd one out is lemon juice. Because soap solution and baking soda are basic, lemon juice is acidic. Which of these is not a product of a neutralization reaction? Acids, salt, water. The odd one out is acids. Because salt and water are the products of neutralization, acids and bases react. Which of these is not a type of litmus paper? Red, blue, odor. The odd one out is odor. Because red and blue are types of litmus paper, odor refers to olfactory indicators. Which of these is an acid? Soap solution, lime, amla juice. The odd one out is amla juice. Because soap solution and lime are bases, amla juice is acidic. Which of these does not change color to indicate an acid or base? Ant bites, red rose extract, turmeric. The odd one out is ant bites. Because ant bites are treated with baking soda, while the others change color. Which of these is the primary indicator discussed? Red rose extract, litmus paper, turmeric. The odd one out is litmus paper. Because red rose extract and turmeric are alternative indicators, litmus paper is the main one. Which of these does not participate directly in neutralization reactions? Acids, bases, indicators. The odd one out is indicators. Because acids and bases neutralize each other, indicators detect acids and bases. Bitter, sour taste. Base, bitter taste. Litmus, acid-base indicator. Turmeric, natural indicator. Olfactory indicator. Odor changes. Neutralization, acid plus base. Acidic soil, lime treatment. Ant bite, baking soda. Acid-base indicator. Color change. Neutralization reaction. Salt and water. Acid. Placid. Base. Mace. Neutral. Fuel. Science fair. Defiance stare. Indicator. Vindicator. Litmus. Isthmus. Blue. Clue. Odor. Sod her. Lime. Dime. Salt. Assault.